Hi fam, today we're at Costco business, which is Costco for business owners. So they serve in bigger bulk. Costco Business Center. I think it's bigger than a regular Costco. All right, let's go check it out, huh? Costco Business Center. All the Keurigs. Ooh, commercial grade. Commercial grade microwave. Ooh. Commercial grade, fam. Blender. Commercial grade. So it's similar to like a restaurant depot. Similar to like a restaurant depot, I would. That would be the comparison. Commercial grade stuff, huh? Coffee maker, kettle. It's not bad. $17. Not too shabby, right? Heinz ketchup, mayo. That looks good. Hello. Paper towels. Ooh. All the bins. Sounds good. To a bus restaurant. Yeah. Cart for busing, for waiters, servers. Yeah, it's like a restaurant depot kind of, but bigger. Bigger than restaurant depot. Ooh. Yeah, this one's pretty good. Fire extinguisher. Got table. Hello. It's almost like a restaurant depot, huh? But bigger. Bigger. Wow. Got the chairs. Lifetime chairs, really good quality. These are good too. These are really nice right here.
Hey, Mom. Did you see the response?
$25 on these chairs. Not too shabby. Got a safe. Got a lot of cash and stuff. Safe. Yeah, cash intensive business. Money counter. $4.49. Safe $2.20. Cash register $100. $150 for this one. Open sign. Open sign $87. Not bad. Sorry, I'm shaky, huh? I slept 2 hours last night, man. Got all the fans. It's like a Costco for business owners, small business owners. Sharpies, printing papers, pens for all the servers or whatever, chefs, I don't know. A lot of restaurants use iPads now, but yeah. I prefer the iPad if I was a server. Send it straight to the kitchen. Back in my serving days, like 15 years ago, we have a POS, but we didn't have we couldn't take an order over an iPad. Got gloves. Gloves for days. Gloves. Some what you call it? Non-latex. Those are more expensive. Non-latex gloves. Some people have a latex allergy. Yeah, non-latex nitrite. Yeah. I think these are more expensive. Mask for nail techs and stuff, I guess. Cash register. cleaning supplies. Once again, Costco Business Center. Costco Business. Not a regular Costco. Got some Drano, Lysol, cleaning supplies. Got all the food over there. Some more detergent, dishwashing soap, restaurant size dishwashing soap. Detergent, dishwashing soap, mop, dry mop, Clorox, got the trash bags, Red Bull, all the food over here. Mexican Coke, Mexican Coke, sparkling water. Sparkling water is super popular now. Shrimp, onions, all the produce over here. Dairy and meats. Woo, it's cold in here. Dairy and meats. Paper towels over here. Paper towels. Yeah, basically, I would say like a restaurant depot, but 4 times bigger. 4 times bigger than a restaurant depot. Fiji water, Fiji's. All the Fijis, Voss, Evian, Pellegrino, all the frozens over there, regular waters. All right, coffee, colas. Pepsi. These are pretty good. Yerba mate. Energy drinks, rock stars. Pretty dope, right? All the Red Bulls. Red Bulls. Monsters. Celsius, these are super popular. Celsius, super popular at the moment. Celsius for days. All the Kool-Aid, lemonade. Good stuff. Gatorade over here. Stainless steel. This one is nice, trust me. Oh, this one's good. All the AT&T phones. AT&T. I like Verizon more. Hey, just recording footage for my YouTube. Yeah. These Costco videos are really popular.
Cool, man. Hey, you have AT&T or?
I got Verizon. All right. Last but not least, got ice machine. Yeah, these are not cheap, man. Some of them go for 10K. Some of the ones from Japan. These are for restaurants. The ones from Japan used to be like 10K. You know, I used to be work at a sushi restaurant. It's not bad. 1750. Yeah. Some of these ice machines are 10K. No joke. Restaurant equipment. Oh, and we got a 4. Got a car right here. Oh, it's the loading dock. Loading dock.